Okay, this is the second one we got. We got a wolf one that I already put up, and now I'm gonna undo the string of lights on this one, pull the little cardboard out, string the lights through here. It's a 3D cutout of a bear with like the deer and the trees and stuff in the background. It's like, it's all just like carved out of there and stuff. So I think probably they used a laser or something, but this is a grizzly bear because it's got the hump on his shoulder. So anyway, I'll show you the wolf one I put up. Okay, this is the wolf one. It's above our little mail station here and stuff, and it actually, there's 3 settings. I like the solid light better than the flashing lights and stuff. There's off, then there's flashing fast, flashing slow, and then solid, which I like the best. But look at it, it's really cool. You put those little string lights in there and it looks really cool. The only problem is the little control switch there doesn't really have a place to go, but there you go. We got him there, and we're gonna do the bear and put him right next to him. And there's the string of lights all along there, and we're going to put them in, feed them in through there. Okay, there they are. They're all strung in there, not very coordinated looking or whatever, but ta-da, there you go. And it's got the little switch. I pulled the little cardboard over the battery protector there, and you can see there's off. And then you got fast blink, slow blink, and solid, which is what I like the best. So I'm going to put it up on the mail station with the wolf, and we'll just show you. And I'm just going to take this little command strip here and tuck it around on the back side there so he'll stick to the wall without falling down every time we touch the mail station or whatever. So here's the back side of the bear, and here's this, and basically the black print is what goes up against the wall, that's sticky side, and then the red is what sticks to your whatever it is that you're trying to stick. Let's see if I can pull that paper off of there with one hand, or my teeth. There we go. And I'm just going to stick it on the back here. I'll show you. Okay, so I just stuck it there, and I left a little tab hanging out from behind so that I could reach it, so that if I ever want to take it down, I'll be able to reach that little tab there. But I've put command strips up before where I couldn't reach the little tab, and then when I wanted to take them down, I couldn't do it. So anyway, we're going to go put this up on the mail station. Okay, so there he is. He's just sitting up there with the little command strip, and then the wolf is right next to him. And as I showed you before, he has off, and then he has fast blink, slow blink, and steady state. Same thing with the wolf. But I just wanted him to be in a place where I could actually reach this. If I put it up high on one of our higher shelves, I can't actually reach it. So it's even cool without the lights on it. If you look at it, that's little 3D carving and stuff. It's really cool, so I like it. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and look, we got them all lit up here in the hallway. Like, it's just it's all dark in here, but except for these little lights right here. Look at, and ta-da, they sent these to us so we could show them to you, and I like them. They're kind of cool. Look at that.